All right, so let me. This is going to be a two-part. This is all about the customer picker on stock checker, price checker, and it'll be the same thing on quotes. So in here, let's say ship to. So on this screen, when I click ship to, then what should happen is the ship to account should be selected. Any value in this ship to should be put into here, and then we should search. And in this case, we should only search for types that are of type ship to. So how do we know which ones are shipped to? Well, based on the work last night, then we have a new custom setting, right, that is of type account type. And in here, you have the codes for the account group that will say what are shipped tos and what are sold tos. So for this case, on the ship to, we need to go find and search when somebody puts in a account number and we search by ship to, we should only where the account where account group where these codes have ship to set. So in here, right where we have this, if I do a ship to, right now all these are resulting. Well, I don't want them all. I only want the list of accounts that have an account type that would match one of those that's a ship to. All right, now then, if I put in a SAP customer number here, search, and I'm on ship to, then I expect just that ship to account. So for example, if I go to Cutter Foundation here, its ship to is ADWE. ADWE is right here. It is a ship to. All right. So if I put in this customer number here and do a search, then it should result. And I don't really know why it's not, but it should. All right, then, and it should only show that. Now the result set is when we do the ship to, all right, great. Now then, ship to zip code. For all of these accounts that have a type that is a ship to, search on the zip code for the address fields that they're putting on to these accounts, like shipping address. All right, now then, same thing for shipping, ship billing city. Only return where the shipping billing city is that of a ship to account. All right, so now that's how you display and search for ship to. All right, now then let's go to Price Checker, where Price Checker has the concept of a sold to. So a sold to, if I click sold to account should be selected. If there's a value in here, it should be here and should be selected as well. Now, if I do a sold to, what I need to see is the sold to account and their search results plus all of his ship to accounts. So it's not only just searching on customer number, it's going to that customer number. And in this case, let's say that Alon here is the sold to. So I'm searching on this guy right here. So all right, there we go. And I don't know why these aren't necessarily coming back. The queries probably aren't right, but the sold to here should display Alon. It then needs to display any ship to accounts that are associated to it. And how do you do that? You go down here to partner functions. And then for these partner functions, you see where the function code equals WE. And on a sold to account, WE will be here. And so I would expect Cutter Foundation, Cutter Shell, and Alon to display in this results set. And then based on this results set, I should get, I think they have the addresses and all that. They need to come from the correlating accounts that are referenced. So that's how to do this. Now, if I do an account number, it just searches SAP customer number on the account. It should bring back one record. So if you search by sold to account, it should bring back that sold to account plus any ship to accounts that you get from the partner function. If I search on a ship to account, I only go through and search where the account group is one of those that are a ship to.